Hello and welcome back. Today on the Crypto Minute, we are going to explain some terms that frequently confuse crypto beginners. Understanding these key concepts will help you in your crypto journey. First, blockchain is more than just a posh database. It is a kind of distributed ledger which records transactions chronologically across multiple computers worldwide. This decentralized approach ensures secure transactions. Next, a crypto wallet is not your grandfather's billfold. Rather, it is a tool that is used to safely store and manage your digital currencies. These wallets come in various formats ranging from hardware to software to apps, each with differing security levels. The last term is mining, which, in crypto terms, is simply the process of validating transactions in the ledger and adding them to the blockchain. If you found this useful, let us know in the comments, and please hit the like button and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.